And that's the Jungle Bird cocktail. Cheers. Well, the weather keeps changing here. Today we're in the middle of a heat wave, so this is going to go down good. Cheers. 1.5 ounces of Old Sam Demerara rum. 3/4 ounce of Campari. 1.5 ounces of fresh pineapple juice. And 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. And 1/2 ounce of Demerara simple syrup. Let's make some Demerara simple syrup. 1/2 cup of Demerara sugar. 1/2 cup of water. We'll heat this just until it melts. We do not need to boil it or simmer it. That's our Demerara simple syrup. The secret to buying a sweet pineapple is to make sure that it's yellow on the outside. Really sweet. Set our blender to liquefy. We'll add 2 ounces of water.